Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Classic Engineering 80600. This is an 1.5" diameter carbide spur bit is what it's called, or it's a spur bit. That's how we know these. That's how they're called. It's a reference to the angle and shape of the teeth that do the cutting with this flat lifting edge that will give you that initial sort of contact with the face of the door. The advantage of this type of bit is that you're going to get that contact with the face of the door before it comes back with this heavy cutting of these spurs that just bite through the door. I personally am not a fan of multi-spur bits because, and I'm certainly in the minority of people who feel that way, because they're incredibly effective at drilling a hole. I don't get the kind of control and accuracy over the cut that I would like when it comes to tearing or flaring out of the veneer from the face of the door. We like to come with an incredibly precision sort of cut, something you'd really see done with a router. So that would be our, coming from a CNC equipment background to machining wood doors, doing it with a tool like this by hand would be not our preferred way to do it. However, when you're in the field, if you're a building engineer, you're a door installer, you're a carpenter, you're going to have these all the time. And the 1.5" is common for certain types of deadbolts. Specifically, what I'm thinking of is the Schlage B100 series deadbolts would always use an 1.5" prep. And I believe those Kaba Ilko low profile cylinders can take an 1.5" as well. It's got that self starting drill point on it. So there is a triangle that's right at the tip of my finger. And when you place that correctly and you get your drill started, it's threaded and will start to feed the bit or draw the bit to the face of the door. The nice thing about that is you're not really doing any work of pushing, because inevitably you're pushing it at an angle. As soon as that threaded tip gets your bit to the face of the door, you'll instantly see how square you are to the face of the door. You can make your adjustments, then get your drilling started. And you really don't go slow with a bit like this. You need to get it going and quick and with confidence get it into the door. If you're new to multi-spur bit drilling, I'd really suggest that you try on sample pieces first, because they are not they're not for beginners, in my opinion, because you can tear the door. You can also harm yourself if you're not careful, because it takes a lot of horsepower to remove that much material as it does, as a multi-spur bit does. 1/2" shank, going to be down here. Let me give you a dimension of the overall length now. Overall bit length, it's about a 7" as you can see. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to a document called, to the manufacturer's page, where you can review not only the manufacturer's website, but also all of the Classic Engineering products that we sell. This red material on here is just the dried wax that you're going to peel off to reveal the pristine brand new bit. If you have any questions on the Classic number 80600 1.5" multi-spur bit or any other Classic product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.